another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm your instructor. My name is Mushukmiya, a software engineer. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna discuss about class and style bindings. So at first, let me discuss how to use class and how to use style and class with object, after class with condition, and style with property. Okay, so actually class and style bindings like that, a common need for a data binding is manipulating, and you know that an element class list and its inline style is, since there are both attributes, we can use bbind like that. Bbind, we can use bbind to handle them. So we only need to calculate the final string with our expression. However, middling with string concatenation is annoying and error prone. So for this reason, Vue provides special enhancement when the binding is used with a class and style. In addition, string, the expression can also evaluate to object or arrays. So object syntax like that. Object syntax. Object syntax. We can pass an object bbind then class like that. Bbind and class, to dynamically toggle classes like that. In the next tutorial, I'm going to just showing to you practically this bbind class and property and style object and condition property syntax. Okay, so every property or every property like this, class and style, and how to use class, how to use style, class with object, part by part and step by step I will discuss, and it will be 2 or 3 minute tutorial. Okay, so stay tuned or good game.